Have you ever noticed how some people seem to have endless amounts of money without working super hard or having big, flashy businesses? It's like they've discovered a secret path to riches that most people aren't aware of. Well, the truth is that many wealthy individuals have figured out how to create multiple income streams that bring in a steady flow of cash without drawing much attention to themselves. They've mastered the art of making money quietly, and it's something you can learn too. In this video, we're going to reveal the top strategies that rich people use to make money without anyone noticing. These are the hidden pathways to wealth that you can start exploring today. Let's dive right in. Welcome to our channel, the place where future billionaires come to get inspired. What are silent income streams? First off, let's talk about what exactly we mean by silent income streams. We're not talking about those typical side hustles or businesses that everyone's always raving about. Think dog walking, freelancing, or starting an Etsy shop. While these can be great options, they usually require you to put in a lot of effort and time up front before seeing any significant income. And they often come with ongoing demands for your attention. On the other hand, silent income streams are earnings that don't need you to be constantly showing up or hustling. These income sources operate in the background without drawing much attention to themselves, often generating money even while you sleep. The key here is that these income streams rely on assets, ownership, or smart financial vehicles that generate cash flow without demanding constant supervision or involvement. This means you can create these income streams once and watch them continue to bring in earnings for years, even while you pursue other ventures or enjoy your life. It's all about leveraging your resources, skills, and connections in ways that allow you to earn money steadily without burning out or sacrificing your precious time. So, if you've been dreaming of creating passive income or exploring new revenue streams but feeling a bit stuck, this video is for you. We'll be discussing 5 of the most effective strategies that rich people use to make money without drawing attention to themselves. By understanding and implementing these methods, you can start building your own silent income streams and pave the way towards financial freedom. Royalty income, one of the oldest and most reliable methods that rich people use to make money without anyone noticing, is through royalty income. Royalty income is a form of passive income that comes from owning intellectual property rights, such as patents, copyrights, or trademarks. When someone else uses your protected creation or invention, you receive a percentage of the profits as a reward for your original work. For example, let's say you wrote a popular book that was later adapted into a successful movie. As the author, you would receive a portion of the movie as profits, because your book served as the basis for the film. Similarly, if you created a piece of software that helps businesses automate their workflow and increase productivity, you can earn royalties each time someone downloads or uses your software. There are various ways to generate royalty income, and it's an excellent strategy for those who are creative or have valuable intellectual property to offer. But how can you tap into this silent income stream without drawing attention to yourself? Well, one approach is to focus on digital products like ebooks, online courses, or templates. Create high-quality resources that solve problems or provide value to others and protect your work with copyright laws. That way, you can sell your digital products online without revealing your identity, ensuring that your income remains hidden from the public eye. Another option is to explore licensing agreements for your inventions or creations. You can work with companies that manufacture physical products and offer them the rights to use your design or innovation in exchange for a percentage of the sales. This allows you to earn royalties without having to produce or distribute the product yourself. Moreover, there are also platforms that connect creators with potential licensees, making it easier to find opportunities to generate royalty income. Remember, the key to success with royalty income is to focus on creating valuable, unique offerings that can provide lasting benefits to others. By doing so, you can build a steady stream of earnings that will continue to grow without drawing unnecessary attention to yourself. Peer-to-peer lending and structured notes. Another lesser-known method that rich people use to make money silently is through peer-to-peer lending and structured notes. Peer-to-peer lending, also known as P2P lending, involves connecting borrowers directly with lenders, bypassing traditional financial institutions. Platforms allow individuals to lend money to other people or businesses in exchange for interest payments. Meanwhile, structured notes are sophisticated financial instruments that provide investors with customized returns based on underlying assets or market conditions. They typically involve a large initial investment and can be tailored to meet specific financial goals, such as generating regular income or preserving capital. These two methods may sound complex, but they offer unique opportunities for creating silent income. With peer-to-peer lending, you can earn interest by providing loans to individuals or businesses without actively managing the funds yourself. By diversifying your portfolio across multiple borrowers, you can potentially generate a steady stream of passive income without taking on excessive risk. On the other hand, structured notes can provide higher yields than traditional investments, allowing you to build wealth more quickly. They also often include safety features, such as principal protection or minimum return guarantees, which can help preserve your capital while still generating income. While these methods may not be suitable for everyone, they can be highly effective for those seeking to build wealth discreetly. By exploring peer-to-peer lending and structured notes, you can potentially create new income streams that grow your wealth without drawing unnecessary attention to yourself. Business equity and silent partnerships. Owning a piece of a successful business or entering into a silent partnership is another strategy that rich people use to generate silent income without drawing attention to themselves. This approach involves investing in a company or project without actively participating in its day-to-day operations. As a business owner or silent partner, you would hold a stake in the company and receive a portion of its profits or dividends, allowing you to benefit from its success without being publicly associated with it. This can be particularly beneficial for entrepreneurs who want to support promising ventures without sacrificing their anonymity or taking on additional responsibilities. Furthermore, business equity and silent partnerships offer diversification, spreading your investments across different sectors and reducing your reliance on a single source of income. For example, you could invest in a tech startup, a sustainable energy company, or a local bakery, each offering unique growth potential and risk profiles. To tap into this silent income stream, you can network with local business owners or startups seeking investors. Pitch your idea to potential partners or explore investment opportunities through online platforms. Remember that thorough research, due diligence, and clear agreements are crucial for protecting your interests and ensuring a successful partnership. Digital real estate. Last but certainly not least, digital real estate is an increasingly popular method that rich people use to generate silent income without attracting attention. This involves purchasing and holding valuable domain names or websites that generate revenue through advertising, affiliate commissions, or subscriptions. Much like physical real estate, digital real estate can appreciate in value over time, providing a long-term investment opportunity with passive income potential. For example, you could purchase a catchy domain name that has the potential to be sold for a higher price in the future, or invest in a niche website that focuses on a specific topic or industry. By creating valuable content, building a loyal audience, and implementing monetization strategies, you can generate a steady stream of income without having to actively manage the website. In fact, you can hire freelancers to help you with content creation, website maintenance, and other aspects of the business, ensuring that it runs smoothly without requiring your direct involvement. Moreover, digital real estate offers flexibility, allowing you to choose from a wide range of investment opportunities, from social media pages to blogs and forums. With the rise of e-commerce and online businesses, digital real estate is becoming a highly sought-after asset class with enormous potential for growth and passive income. Now it's your turn. We hope we've inspired you to explore the world of silent income streams and consider implementing some of these strategies into your own financial journey. Remember, Creating wealth doesn't have to be a public affair. Sometimes the quietest paths lead to the best destinations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for joining us on this journey towards financial freedom, and we'll see you next time.